morning. Kids are biking today.
Ew.
Whee!
I'm going under. I'm going under.
You're right, you're under.
Go, go.
How about you, Luca? What do you wanna buy? Libre daw ni Ate Sheila. Self?
Yeah.
How about Coco? Can you step by yourself? That's a big step. How about Kuya? Whoa. Yeah, you can sit down and read. Siya ang nalingaw. Coffee while we wait for the kids. Uy, parang dati lang. Dito kami nagde-date. Okay. It's one person. Go in. You can.